So there are three things that you need if you've been in a car accident to have a valid auto accident injury claim. Ben, what's the first thing we need?
First thing you got to have is liability. Someone else has to be at fault for the accident, or at least mostly at fault for the accident. Normally in an auto accident claim, it's pretty clear who's at fault. If somebody ran into the back of you, or somebody turned left in front of you, somebody pulled out right in front of you, normally you can see from the incident report which party is liable. And that's the first thing you need. Somebody else has to be mostly at fault. Now, there's a second thing that you need. Patrick, tell us about that.
So in order for you to recover in an auto accident injury claim, you have to be injured. And under the law, we call those damages. Those refer to your medical bills, your future medical bills, your pain and suffering, lost wages. You have to have suffered because of the accident. So you have to have somebody at fault, and you have to have actually been injured. It's distinct from a property damage claim. It's referring to your personal bodily injuries and the injuries that extend therefrom. And then there's a third thing that you need in order to be compensated. What's that?
Lastly, you got to have insurance. There has to be some insurance covering the accident. That can come from multiple sources. The first thing you look at is the at-fault driver. Did the at-fault driver have insurance that they personally had, or insurance on the vehicle they were driving? That's the first source of insurance, but it's never a lock that whoever hit you was insured. In a lot of municipalities around the state of Georgia, 1 in 4 drivers are uninsured. So it's very possible you could be hit by an uninsured driver. So we have to find other sources of insurance. We can find those from your own policies of insurance. Sometimes even people who you live with, their policies can apply depending on certain circumstances. That's often called uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. So you need an experienced personal injury attorney to find all sources of insurance. A lot of times the at-fault driver's insurance will pay first, but it's not enough to cover your total damages. So you have to find other sources of insurance to pay the rest of the claim.
We are offering free strategy sessions with people who have been in automobile accidents to go over their case with them, to do an analysis to help them determine whether or not they have a valid claim. What are we doing?
Basically, if somebody's been in an accident in Georgia, we can take the case. If it's a viable case, we can take it. We have cases that are filed in almost every county in Georgia from every quarter. We've got cases Northwest Georgia, Northeast Georgia, Southeast Georgia. Is it a case that has someone else is at fault? Are there damages? And is there insurance to cover the accident? We'll take a look at these for you. There's no cost to call. Contact us using the click below. There's information on how to contact our firm. And you will talk to either me or Patrick, not some staff person. You will be talking with Patrick or I within 48 hours of contacting our firm.
And the phone number is on your screen right now. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we look forward to hearing from you.